Hello everyone, I am Riyansh and in today's video we are going to make the Blue Baron paper airplane. So this is a normal colored paper and this is the foldable flights template which I got for free on its website. So today we are going to make the Blue Baron paper airplane from foldable flights template only. Okay, so as it is written, cut on the dotted line, so we will cut it. Okay, so after cutting the template, it should look like this. Okay, so now the colored side should be facing us, and after that we will fold the paper in half and make sure that this point here and this point here touches both these points like this. You have to make this fold accurate. Okay, and now we will make a sharp crease there like this. After that we will take this flap and we will fold it in such a way that it creates a triangle like so, and we will make a sharp crease. And we will flip the paper over and we will make the same fold on the other side. Okay, now we will open the paper and we will also open the flaps or the folds that we made, and we will take this upper top edge and we will fold it on this crease here like this. And we will take this whole section and we will fold it on the center crease like so. And we will do all the steps on the other side as well. Okay, so now we will fold the paper like this. But first I am making the fold and then I will tell you how I calculated that till where I have to fold it. Okay, so now I will make the crease and now I will tell you that how I calculated till where I have to fold. So if you will see, I have made the crease starting from this point here and it is going straight towards both these sides. So you just have to do that. After that, if you are using the foldable flights template, then you will see that there is a very thin white line here, if you can see it. So we just have to fold along it, and I will also tell that till where we have to fold if you are not using the foldable flights template. So I am not making a template for Blue Baron as I have the template of foldable flight, and I will also share the link below. Okay, now we will do the same on the other side like this. Just match both the sides so that it is easy. Okay, so now I will tell that if you don't have the foldable flights template, then how you have to calculate the fold. So there are two references. The first is that from this point to this crease, if you can see this point here and the crease here, so between these two points, the distance should be 1 centimeter, and starting from this point here to the center crease, the distance should be 3.5 centimeter. So this is how you can calculate. Okay, after that we will fold this triangle upward like this, and we will make a sharp crease and we will open that. After that we will fold like this, so that the like this tiny little flap, and then we will fold this whole flap upwards, so when we fold like this, all layers get locked. Okay, so now I will tell you that when we fold this, the distance from this point to this edge should be ½ inch. Okay, and when you will fold the paper in half, all the folds should be symmetrical. You can check it. Okay, now we will take this flap and we will fold it on the center crease. And for being symmetrical, you can fold the paper in half and then you can just match it. Okay, now we will open both of them, and we will open this big flap also, and then we will fold these two like this, and this big flap again upward. So now again all the layers are locked. Okay, so now for folding the wings, you will see there is again a white line here, so we just have to fold along it. But if your line here, if you can see, it starts from here and ends here. Okay, and if you are not using the foldable flights template, then it is no problem, because you can make any wing, means the wing can be any size you want. It can be like a dart, it can be like a glider, but I will fold it along the line given like this, and you really have to work along those thick layers, and we will match by folding the other side. Now you can just keep the plane like this, and you can just sharpen the crease, the wing crease like this. And what will this do, that it will also flatten these thick layers. Okay, and I think you will need a little bit of a elevator. So what a elevator is, that it is just a little bit of bend behind the wings. Okay, so hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.